Greetings of the day. I again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. I, Gurpreet Kaur, welcome you all to your computer classes. Let's start with our topic. Today again we will continue with the same chapter, that is computer a machine. But the topic that we cover today is how to switch on and off the computer. I again repeat, topic is how to switch on and off the computer. First we will learn how to switch on the computer. So there are different steps to switch on the computer. Let's start with our steps. First step to switch on the computer is that you have to remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Means first we have to uncover our computer. We have to remove all the covers that we put on the computer to make it safe from dust. First we have to remove all that covers. Next step is to switch on the main power socket. To switch on the main power socket. That means from here we will switch on the power supply to the computer. We will switch on the power supply to the computer. Next step, step number 3 is we have to switch on the UPS. We have to switch on the UPS. This is the button from where we can switch on the UPS. Next step is, fourth step is switch on the CPU power button. Switch on the CPU power button. Here this is the button from where you can switch on the CPU power button. This red button, when we click on that, our CPU will switch on. After that, next step is to switch on the monitor button. After that, we have to switch on the monitor button. This is the button on which when we click, our monitor switched on. This is the button on which when we click, our monitor switched on. After that, when our monitor started, a mouse pointer appears which looks like an hourglass. This is the mouse pointer which look like an hourglass. Then what is the meaning of this mouse pointer? This mouse pointer means that our computer is busy. It means that our computer is busy. It needs some time to start up. After that, when our computer is ready to start, then our mouse pointer is changed. When mouse pointer changes to arrow pointer, when mouse pointer changes to this arrow shape, this means that our computer is ready to use. Now we can start working on the computer. I hope everybody understands the 5 steps. Now we are going to learn the steps how to switch off the computer. Again, there are different steps to switch off the computer, but before that, everybody has to learn that never switch off the computer directly. We have to switch off the computer in different steps. Never switch off it from the power plug directly. It will harm your computer. It will harm your computer. So let's start to learn the steps for switching off the computer or turn off the computer, or we can say to shut down the computer. So the first step is we have to click on the start, and here is the start button in this green color. Here is the start button. So first we have to click on the start to switch off the computer. First we will click on start. After that this window will appear. Here we have to click on this middle button, that is shut down. Here we have to click on this middle button, that is for shut down. Now here it is written that click on the shut down or turn off option. After clicking on this, our screen looks like this. When our computer is shut down, then our CPU is automatically closed. And this screen will appear. This blank screen will appear. This means that our computer is in shutting down process. Now after switch off the CPU, we have to switch off the monitor from this button. After switching off the CPU, we have to switch off the monitor from this button. This is the third step. After that, we have to switch off the UPS. From this button. Now after switching off UPS, the last step is to switch off the main power switch. That is, we have to switch off this plug so that our power supply can switched off. After switching off power plug, our computer will shut down quickly. Now no electricity is given to the computer. So these are the different steps with which we can switch on and switch off our computers. Now, thank you very much for this. Stay tuned with us for the next lectures, for the next topics. Okay, bye-bye everyone.